Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows security virus and threat protection page not available issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows security virus and threat protection page not available, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open the registry editor, click on search menu, then type here regedit. Click on this registry editor. Here in left side you will find HK local machine. Double click and expand. Then expand the software. After that you need to find policies. Expand it. Then Microsoft. After that in this you need to find Windows Defender. Just single click on Windows Defender. Right click. Click on new, then click on dword 32-bit value. Then you need to type disable anti-spyware. You can see already I had named disable anti-spyware. So you have to just double click on that and make sure the value should be 0. Then click on OK. Again what you have to do, again you have to right click, click on new and click on dword 32-bit value again. Then type disable real-time monitoring. Real-time monitoring. Double click on disable real-time monitoring, make sure the value should be 0. Then click on OK. Then close this window. After that you have to open the PowerShell. Here you will find Windows PowerShell. Right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Here you have to copy paste the command, or you can just write the command out. I will show you here. As you can see, I had copy paste the command set -mp reference space -ui lockdown space $false. Just hit enter. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows security virus and threat protection page not available problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.